Yeah, it's a night glow.
Yeah, it's
You
not,
like it?
it's not on the TV.
You want to lay down? Kain tayo ng matamis. We live once. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is Sunday tayo. Sunday! Hindi ako nagsumba today. Kasi bibisitahin namin si Grandma guys. Alas 11 na dito na umaga. And nanood lang ako ng guys. Nanood lang kami buong pamilya ng soccer sa TV. So Real Madrid against Sevilla. And then ngayon Tottenham against Liverpool. Galing ng Liverpool. Liverpool is 5-1. Go get socks. What's So si Daddy is nakaligo na siya guys, na nakapag-exercise na rin. Ako lang dito ang walang Hold on. I'm the socks first. Yeah, that's your socks. Go.
That is 5-1.
5-1.
Yeah.
So first time na mga bata na bisitahin yung grandma nila.
Turn that off. Turn it off.
What turn it off?
Turn the TV off.
I did.
Okay.
5-1
Yeah, I know. They're really, I don't know.
is either Liverpool's on fire or Tottenham is sleeping, or both.
Think so.
Because Tottenham, who did they just beat recently? Manchester
Man
City?
United.
Man United.
Is that,
I thought they beat somebody pretty good,
yeah,
like Aston Villa or
I
somebody.
don't know.
That was Man United.
What was? Man United?
Yeah, Man United.
I thought
Okay,
they beat
magulo pa
somebody,
yung
I thought.
No, it was
kusina
Man
But they
natin.
weren't supposed to beat.
Ay,
Was it Man United?
Yeah, Man United.
okay. Punta tayo ng Panera kasi magti-take out lang kami ng food. Dadalhin doon kay mother-in-law guys. Para for lunch. Doon tayo magla-lunch sa...
It's the sock again that had a hole.
It's okay. Why?
It has a hole in it.
So what? Kaarte po doy. Medyas nga gamay ng buslot. Mag-ilis na. What?
Throw this away.
No!
No.
Pahion rin ako. Nabi.
It has a rip.
I'll get you another one.
No! One of them are right.
It's okay. I'll get you the one pair. A pair of socks. Kay arte kayo ka. Here.
Okay, what if this is broken too? These are long.
Ay, Liam. Okay, don't wear socks.
Yeah, I don't want to wear socks.
Dakan kanyang arte.
Do you have to wear socks?
Of course.
I'm not cold. I don't even want to.
Musta kayo guys? Ano na pala tayo ngayon ay December 21?
22.
So the days are getting longer.
21.
Wait, I thought it was 22.
21.
Is solstice is 21 or 22?
21.
Yeah.
Baba, do you want me to fix your hair?
No.
Sure. Going to Grandma's house. Kunin namin yung picture frame ni Liam doon guys. Yung favorite niya na.
So we'll go her house first.
Yes. Picture frame. And then after that, heading to Panera to get our order.
Picture frame.
And then get...
Is there a frame there?
Yeah. Already. Liam's picture frame.
You mean a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to take a picture.
You can, my love. We need to...
Well, there's one that's like you, me, and Baba when
Yeah.
she was little,
Mhm.
in that little car she
Yeah.
has there, and then there's
Yep.
one where Liam's a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma's holding him.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Those are a couple nice
Yeah.
ones.
2 cats.
Huh?
We saw cats under a guy's car.
Oh,
Two
really?
cats.
She was over at Mom's yesterday.
Oh.
Are the keys in there? I think. Yeah, key.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You're scared? No, you don't need to be scared. Yeah.
The monster there.
Where did it?
What is
I
that?
can smell the
Oh yeah.
stinky.
Yoist.
Oh my God, it's the
Yoist.
garbage here.
Oh, is that shit garbage?
Yeah.
Claudia didn't. Here.
No,
Excuse me, Baba. Look out,
we should
please.
take that out. There's from the farm.
We should put it outside.
I
Here,
know.
go
Okay.
grab the pictures. Put this goddamn garbage outside.
How's Okay, you need to choose
Liam.
grandma's photo. Yeah, that's Liam there. How about this, Lee?
No.
No, you don't want that?
I was a baby.
I know. Which one? Where's our family photo here, Baba?
Where's the...
Did grandma got it already? I think grandma already bring it.
Yeah.
Not here.
Oh, it's not there.
Where is it, my love? Huh?
Come on, looking. No, you go by yourself.
May pangkalat sa bahay ni grandma, guys. And oh,
Mom, can you hold it?
hold it. Okay. Hold it, hold it. You don't want to bring your big photos? Big.
No.
No? Okay.
Oh my! That scared me.
I don't know where is our photo, Daddy.
Right here.
It's not there.
Oh, maybe Clyde.
This
Oh
one.
God,
Bring it.
Jesus.
Come on, let's go.
No, that cat doesn't like to be touched.
Yeah.
It likes to, you have to talk to her gently.
Yeah.
Does it smell like...
Okay, let's go.
Wait, hold this one.
Guys, put the garbage cans
Yeah.
out because it's like, I don't know what.
Oh wait, I can bring that. That has cat thing on it.
Okay,
Okay.
It smells like...
okay,
Smells
just
like-
leave it there.
Yeah, let's go.
The cat's peed on the teddy bear. Such a beautiful teddy bear.
I don't know what,
Hola.
what, she's not thinking like,
No.
there's no reason to keep that thing in the garage.
Mom.
There's no reason to keep that thing in the garage. Listen, I'm talking. There's no reason to keep that thing in the garage anymore because there's, you know. Go ahead, Liam.
Mom, here.
Just hold it, because I'm going to go get the food.
What is it? The picture?
Yeah.
You have to buckle, you know. I wasn't smiling.
Let's go.
You got the pictures?
I got it in my purse.
You don't need the bag.
Yeah.
But it's not even tall.
Huh?
It's not even tall. Yeah. I was expecting a tall building. Yeah, me too.
Like at a hotel?
Yeah. Like a hotel. Like that. But bigger, like longer. Yeah, like that. Like that right here. Yeah, like younger and then kind of fat. Oh my, what the? Oh, no. I thought that was a night blow. It's not at all.
It's a night blow. Right, Daddy?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a night blow.
yeah, it's a night blow.
I get the Christmas tree, guys.
There's no presents.
No present.
Oh,
Dito tayo sa bahay ni Grandma. What can you say about Grandma?
this hotel is 1 out of 0.
Okay, what can you say about Grandma's place?
This looks like a motel. No, this hotel looks like a mansion for old ladies to get.
Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Nag-stay din kami ng 3 oras doon. And yun nga, okay naman si Grandma, guys. Patayin ko muna yung vacuum, nakakadisturbo sa chismisa natin. Hold on. Patayin ko si robot. Okay. Okay naman na si Grandma. Sa tingin ko parang na siya, nakapag-adjust na siya konti, and happy naman siya nung nadatna namin. Pagpasok namin sa sa area niya, nag-lunch sila kasama yung mga ibang matatanda din. Like she's happy, and nakipag-usap na siya sa mga ibang matatanda doon. Ayun nga, and then natawa ko kay Brianna kasi sabi ni Brianna, "Oh, I like this place," sabi ni Brianna. What if mag-pretend ako ng matandang babae daw at gusto niya daw doon kasi tahimik daw, sabi ni Brianna. tahimik. Sabi niya gano'n, hindi daw magulo. Sabi niya, pagtanda ko dito, ako titira. Akala mo naman eh. Sabi niya, I like this place. Sabi niya gano'n. Yung nga lang, nag-ano siya, yung pag after lunch namin, nag-stay kami sa room ni Grandma. And of course, yung mga dala na mga sofa ni Grandma is may mga balahibo ng iring, may mga balahibo ng pusa ba. Yun, nag-ano yung allergy niya guys. Nag-trigger yung allergy niya. Bahing siya ng bahing. Hindi pa kasi nalinisan ni hindi pa napalinisan ni sister-in-law kasi kailangan tatawag siya ng company para mag-clean doon sa yung deep cleaning sa mga sofa. Yeah, yun. Sabi ni Brianna, after almost 3 hours, let's go, sabi niya ganun. Kasi hindi niya na matiis ang kati daw ng ilong niya. And then, yung luha ng luha yung mata ni Brianna dahil nga sa allergy. So, nandito tayo guys kasi mag-ano tayo ng, huwag kayong mag-alala, malapit na tayo matapos nito guys. Kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Ano bang ginawa natin kahapon? Nagsumba ako. Today, hindi ako nagsumba. Kahapon, nagsumba ako. And, naglinis ng bahay na malansya. So, yun. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon. Okay. Ano tayo? 20, 21. Buksan natin itong 20. 21. Wala na. 21 pala tayo ngayon, guys. Bukas is 22. 23. Wala na. Parang naging grandmother ako nito, guys. Yung memory ko, wala na. Okay, 21. Bukas tayo ng 21. 21, guys. 21 sa ruleta. Pwedeng tayaan ng loto. 21. Ano to? Shower gel. Malaki siya ngayon, guys. Shower gel. Ayan. Malapit na tayong matapos nito. Mas gusto ko talaga yung isang box nito, guys. 2 years ago. Kasi ito, ang bilis matanggal. Hindi siya pwedeng pang-keep. Okay. 21 na ba tayo? Oh, yeah. 21 tayo ngayon. Bukas 22. Sorry, guys. 21 pala tayo ngayon, kahapon, ngayon is 22. So, magbubukas tayo ng 22, guys. 22. Nasaan si 22 dito? Kanina nakita ko eh. Okay. Kahapon pala is 21. Ngayon is 22 na tayo ngayon, guys. Oh my God. 3 more days. Pasko na! Ito ang laman. Okay, overnight reset serum para sa face. Ayan yung naano natin, guys, dalawa. Bukas 23 and then 24. So yeah, and yung dinner namin today is chicken fajita, and then luto din ako nito sa kids for chicken cubes sa air fryer. Yung gusto ng mga kids at saka veggies. And then, kanino ba ito? Meron pa akong mga gifts na babalutin, guys, na hindi ko pa siya nabalot. Okay, I think this is for Liam. I think ito yung request ni Liam. Parang naparami yung gifts na bili namin kay Brianna. Ay, kay Liam to compare kay Brianna. Tignan na natin to. Ano na to? Anong laman? Anong laman ng ano na to, guys? Nagutom ako, guys. Ay, kasi yung binili ko kanina sa Panera is pastry lang yung binili ko. Oh, I think this is for Grandma. Kay Brianna pala to. Babalutin ko yan mamayang gabi. Yun yung ko. Pagkaabalahan ko mamayang gabi, guys. Magbalot ng mga regalo. Kasi hindi. Although tapos naman na, pero may mga iba na hindi pa. So, itong dalawa para kay Brianna. Ayan. And then, socks for me. I need new socks. Para pang pang gym. Kasi yung favorite ko na socks yung galing pa ng Pinas. Sana maganda to siya yung kumakapit ba sa Meron kasi di ba mga socks na madulas guys. Maganda to. Ayan o. Bili ako ng socks. Ayan. Mag-prepare na ako ng dinner namin. And yung tatlo is pumunta sa ano guys. Dito natin ito ilagay. Tago pala natin ito. Yung tatlo pumunta sa store kasi nakalimutan ni Mr. na bumili ng popcorn for movie night mamaya. May movie night kami mamaya. Tas walang popcorn. Last night din nag-movie night kami kagabi. So yun yung ano namin. Vacation ng kids. Everyday movie night till 9 o'clock ng gabi. Nagutom ako guys. Kain tayo. Pwedeng makain natin dito. Kain tayo ng something sweet. Kain tayo ng something sweet guys. Ito kagabi ay kahapon. Ito yung binili ko sa mga bata. Si Brianna hindi ko makain ng donuts guys. Si ano lang, Liam. Liam, yung pinaka-favorite ni Liam. Kain tayo ng matamis. We live once. Only. Pag pinipigilan natin yung sarili nating kumain ng masarap. Hindi naman araw-araw guys. Yeah. Yummy. Hey guys! Prepared ko na yung dinner namin. Labas tayo, yung mga bata piano. Nagka-copyright tayo. Dito lang tayo sa labas magpintuhan guys. Ang ganda ng roses ko ngayon guys. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak nila. Dito tayo. At saka ang ganda ng ang ganda ng sunset. Hindi ko lang makikita yung lang ng sun. Ayan. Yun. Doon guys. Kita nyo? Yeah. Super orange yung dito guys, sunset. Alam nyo guys, yung mga matatanda dito na nakatira sa atin is home for the aged ba yan? Dito is resort ang tawag namin yan dito guys. Hindi sila kawawa kasi mahal yung monthly nila yung guys, hindi yun libre, binabayaran yun. Kay mother-in-law aabot siya ng 12. So kung isipin mo yun, $12,000 para ng kalahating milyon guys, no? Sabi ko nga, dalhin na lang kaya natin si grandma sa sa Biyanan sa Pilipinas at kahit pila pa ka nurse ang maglahong-lahong sa Tagalog pa. Kahit ilang nurse pa yung ha-hard namin para mag-care sa kanya, mag-take care sa kanya ba? Pwede kasi kaya mo yung niya, yung monthly niya, ang mahal, $12,000. Depende pa yung guys, lalo na pag yung matatanda na alagain na talaga, like paliguan na sila, pakakainin na, tapos yung mga gamot, kung ilang mga gamot yung pag more than 20 na gamot yung iti-take nila, additional bayad yun guys. So yun, pero ang kagandahan doon guys, hindi sila ma-bored sa buong araw kasi marami silang mga activities, like nilalabas din sila, like this Christmas lumalabas sila sa gabi, nanonood ng mga lights, then marami silang mga activities guys, like then naalagaan yung nila, yung pagkain talaga nila guys, and then yung hearing aid ni grandma, ni mother-in-law, suot niya na, kanina nakasuot na lagi niya nang suot kasi may caretaker doon sa matatanda na talagang sinusuot sa kanila, sila yung nagcha-charge, then pinapasuot sa kanila, kaya hindi din kawawa guys, ang lang dito, kaya kailangan mo talagang kumayod para pagtanda mo may pangbayad ka sa sa bahay ng matatanda. Kasi ang mahal din pala guys, no? Mahalan ako ay. siguro pagtanda ko, doon na lang ako sa bukid namin. Magtanim na lang ako na magtanim. Paano kung alagaan ako, magmahal na lang ako ng nurse. At least sa atin, mura lang yung nurses, guys, noon, mag-alaga. Dito, ang mahal. Super mahal talaga eh. Parang na-shook ako, guys, ha? Ganun pala yung babayaran ni mother-in-law. Mahal pala. Hindi kami na nagbabayad, guys, kasi yung parents ni Mister, may pera sila. And then may may insurance din sila para sa yung pagtanda ba. At least hindi masyado nang mabigat sa bulsa yung monthly ni mother-in-law. I'm not sure if kaltas ng insurance magkano na lang, kaya hindi ko pa alam. Tanongin ko si Mister kung pagkaltas sa insurance hindi na siya 12. Ewan ko kung magkano na lang yung babayaran niya. Pero for sure mahal pa rin, guys. So yeah. Oh,
You
kids.
have to sing
Hi.
9 or 8 or 10 songs.
That's a lot of song. Oi, where's my kiss?
Baba!
Anyway, guys, i-close ko na yung vlog namin, guys. At ako'y magluluto ng dinner kasi gutom na daw sila. Chicken
Mommy.
bites lang.
They're short and it's 2 minutes.
Okay, give me kiss. Only 2 minutes. Where's my kiss? Give me a hug. I say bye-bye to the guys.